guys, Amy with my Publix coupon buddy here. So Tide detergent is on sale this week. If you buy 2 Tide, you get a free Downy fabric softener with each purchase of 2. So best way to do this deal is buy 2 of any of the 46 to 50 ounce Tide bottles. I'm going to take you down here to the Downy as well. Okay, so here's the Downy that goes with it. It's got the signs here in front of it. So I'm assuming that's right. Yep. Okay, so buy 2 of those Tide. There is a printable coupon for $3 off the Tide. Additionally, there is a $1. This printable coupon is limit one identical coupon per household per day. So you can only use one of those guys. So for the second Tide that you need to purchase, you're going to use your $1 off Tide digital coupon. So that'll give you $2 off each bottle basically. And then additionally, you can use a coupon on the free item, and there is a $1 off printable coupon. Definitely want to snag this coupon the night before you go shopping or the day you go shopping, because it's only valid for a day. So the day you print it, the next day it expires. So not the case with the Tide coupon, but the case with the Downy coupon. So just a warning that you need to run to the store after you print the coupon. After both, they come to $4 each. This goes on until Tuesday or Wednesday this week. Happy couponing.